look so sick and tired, and it is because I am. Yesterday I returned from my Dubai trip. Yesterday I returned from my Dubai trip, and if you guys know me, know that मुझे insane amount of ठंड लगती है. दुबई में इतनी ठंड नहीं थी. It was a pleasant weather, but still I was feeling so cold, so cold. मेरा गला जा चुका है, मेरे पैर तो पूरे जा चुके हैं. मतलब लाइक मैंने वो कोल्डप्ले के कॉन्सर्ट में मैं गई थी और मैंने इतना नाचा है. My legs have gone. If you guys are waiting for Dubai vlogs, they are coming. मैंने बहुत सारा शूट करा है, and I hope Paris की तरह I don't end up shooting and not putting it out. Paris का भी पूरा vlog करा था, कभी कुछ डाला नहीं. But this time I will put out everything. We went to Abu Dhabi, we went to Coldplay concert, we went to Dubai also, and we did a lot of cool things there. Actually, this video is something that I did not plan, but so many people are asking me about the outfits that I wore, and मैंने अपनी stories पे डाला था that ये कहाँ से है and everything. So I was like, okay, let me record a video, but I absolutely could not get ready myself for it. I was thinking that I'll probably wear an outfit and like properly do like a haul sort of thing, but I had like totally मेरा खत्म हो चुका है अभी, and I was like मेरे को अभी ही डालना है because so many people are requesting for it. So let's get started. मैंने अपना suitcase निकाला भी नहीं है. It is like that, and before I put everything in my cupboard, I will show everything to you guys. All the products that I have bought, I will try and put a link in the description. Most of them are from Zara, so and Zara पे अभी sale भी चल रही है, so you can probably go buy it for yourself as well. Let's get started. So let's start with, okay, this is one of my favorite, which is this really pretty dress that I wore. Again, as I told, this is from Zara. This is a full length dress. I'll also show you a version of me wearing this dress. This is a full length dress, मतलब full length है, and it comes with these strap वाला hand वाला straps. It was a little bit मतलब मेरे लिए बड़ा था वो, और it was like a little bit deep neck for me, तो मैंने इसको ऐसे बांध दिया है. So in case you guys are also getting it like super easy, like you can just get it done. And it was a really pretty dress. It is a backless dress, like back में ऐसा cross है, and super pretty. I don't remember the prices. I'll just pop it up somewhere here, and the links would definitely be in the description, so you guys can check it out. And the best part about this dress is the color. मतलब I do not own a lot of dresses in brown. I have always stuck to like very pretty basic colors, but this time I got a lot of browns and whites. So yeah, really pretty dress. Oh my god, I got so many compliments for this dress. Like so many people said that it's looking so hot, so chic, dress of the hour. This is again from Zara. इधर ऊपर एक कोट टाइप का है, a sleeveless coat at the top, and actually a lot of people were thinking कि ये दोनों अलग अलग हैं, but I suck at like making outfits. मतलब मैं try करती हूँ कि like I choose a top and a bottom, but usually I prefer कि मैं ना कोई एक dress ले लूँ which is like a dress in itself, and this was like a perfect thing. So actually ये दोनों साथ में ही आए थे. Like it is a complete dress, and the photos in this, oh my god, like just look at them. It's amazing. Again super comfortable. Wanted to wear clothes which look good but are like very comfortable. This is one of the best purchases that I made. The kapda is amazing. Like it's so thick. It looked formal, but it looked very hot also. So it's not like that only on formal occasions you can wear this. You can wear this like that also. Coming to the next dress. Okay, so the next one, so this I actually did not get it from Zara. So this I got when I went to Delhi recently. So this is basically, it was like a top come, I used it more like an overcoat whenever I felt a little bit of cold or everything, and this looked super chic. मतलब I'll just pop up a picture जिसमें मैं ये पहनी हूँ over my white top, and I usually put it like this, and it looked very chic, like something like this. And abhi nahi acha lag raha hai, of course, but if you will style it properly, this gave very chic and that girl vibe. Remember the pricing correctly, I bought it on MRP. I think it was some 2000 rupees, but if you will buy it on the app or on sale, you can probably get it at a cheaper price. And the cloth to So this is again very thick as well. And yeah guys, I broke one of my nail in a trip, actually two of my nails, दोनों, इस उंगली का भी and ये वाला तो पूरा ही निकल गया है. Never mind. Okay, let's do this one. So this is an animal print. I think animal print. So I was a person who did not like animal prints. Top बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था and this was an animal print. I was like fine, I will try, and it got me so many compliments. So this is basically a one shoulder top. So it comes like this. मतलब yeah, so it comes like this. मतलब this is like this. इसके नीचे you can probably wear a skirt. I wear black color के pants from H&M. I'll just show it to you guys. But yeah, again a very pretty one shoulder top and super comfortable. मतलब with one shoulder tops, my major problem have always been कि यार वो गिरता रहता है. This did not fall off at all. It has this lining. I don't know what is this exactly, but I think this helped in, you know, like make it stick to your body. But I don't know, it was super comfortable. One shoulder top, looked extremely chic. I was talking to you about was this. So I hate jeans. I know this is a very weird thing to say, I feel, but I absolutely hate jeans. I don't know, I am just not comfortable whenever I wear jeans. I always feel like, you know, like I need to remove them and just throw it out. I have these things from H&M. I don't know what are they called, but they look super nice. They are kind of a replacement of jeans for me, and it is in this elastic thingy. If you would probably wear jeans, it will probably look much smarter, but it's just not comfortable for me. And I knew that मेरे को वो पूरा दिन ही पहनना है. Like it's not like I can just go and change and everything. I had to travel to different places, so I chose comfort, and it actually looked really nice. So it has this shiny material. If you will see, this one is from H&M. The top was from Zara. Actually two pairs of it. One of them is in, oh actually I'm wearing another one, the black one. This is in a little bit of like shimmery black, and this is like exactly plain black. So whenever I travel and everything, I only wear this. Or if I have to style something and wanted to wear something black, I wear this one. And it's not like chamkila wala black, you know, like if you can see it in my pictures, it's like very subtle, just a tint of shimmer in it. मेरी हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है. I am also eating side by side में अमरूद. Now let's move to the next top, which is this top. So chic. Like if you want to be a very chic girl and give that vibe, do buy that. This top is again a backless top. मतलब पीछे it had these ties that you can tie, and top में ऐसा है. So it is basically a halter neck top that you can do like this, and then ये पीछे जाता है. And it have these like frills all over the place, which look like really cool. I love frilly dresses, frilly everything. It gives you very girly look. It is again from Zara. Clearly I did a lot of shopping from Zara this time, and one thing that I did there was this. Of course, how can I wear white clothes and not ruin them? But I'll see if I can fix it somehow. This is a really nice dress. I think I wore it on 2 days. I loved it so much that one day I styled it with a skirt, and another day I styled it with the pants that I just showed you, the black pants that I just showed you from H&M. Yeah. Now let's move to the next white top. I clearly got a lot of browns and whites this time. So this is again from Zara, and this is what I wore to the Coldplay concert. अभी ये actually आगे से खुला हुआ है, but you can just close it, and it is again a strap top. It is a satin material. Okay, like मैंने भी जब इसको order करा था, I did not know that it is a satin material, but it's really pretty. It has these roses at the top, and you know, like वो पूरा what do you call it? Like a gathered material, and it's so pretty, and इसका जो straps है, it's adjustable, which is perfect for me. I'll pop up some pictures for you, and this is again a very amazing top which I wore on the beach. So one day we stayed at Raffles, and वहाँ पर उनका beach था, like they had like private beach access. So उसमें I wore this top. Let me just open it. You know, because it is yellow, I was actually planning to wear it in Coldplay, but then I was like, nah, leave it. And also it is again kind of halter neck. I don't know what you will call it, but it is like you put it like this. There are like 2 straps that you can tie around your neck, and there are like 2 things that are going around here. Trust me, you will not look like a joker. It looked really cute. I wore it in a beach along with shorts. I will show you the shorts also that I wore along with it. Also has this, so all the clothes that I got, if you will notice, all these clothes are the clothes that does not require ironing, right? मतलब मेरे को I don't like wearing मुझसे हुए कपड़े, and I knew क्योंकि मैं बाहर होंगी, मैं वैसे भी लेट चलती हूँ आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम, so how will I actually iron and everything? तो मैंने like I actually purposely ordered clothes which does not require a lot of ironing and वो घुसेंगे भी नहीं. So this is again a really good buy, and again this is from Zara. Now let's come to this skirt. A lot of people were asking me about this skirt. I actually wore it. I was telling you, right? I wore that white top again with the skirt. So this is the skirt that I wore. A very pretty. So actually it's not a skirt. It's a skirt which made it super comfortable. So though it was really short, but it was really comfortable. It was a gift for me by one of my family member, and I think she got it from Delhi. So unfortunately I won't be able to give you a link for that, but again this was very cute. And see, white frilly kind of thing. This is one of the rarest moments when somebody has gifted me a piece of cloth and I have liked it. Usually it doesn't fit me, or I don't like it. This skirt is amazing, beautiful. Now this one dress that I actually did not end up wearing, I am sad about it. Probably I'll wear it with something else. So I actually got this dress for the Coldplay concert, but it was so cold, guys, so cold. और मेरे से कोल्ड नहीं झिलता है बिल्कुल भी, तो आई वॉज लाइक यार मैं ये नहीं पहन सकती हूँ. एंड आई डिड नॉट कैरी द लेगिंग्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट Abu Dhabi and Dubai to be that cold. My bad. I would still like to show this dress to you because it's very beautiful. Again, this is from Zara. It is a very pretty black color dress. It has a very cute rose here, and the entire dress is like plain. It has a wool material, you know, like that sticks to your body, but again a very thick material. And इसके पूरे में like on this entire dress it has these like beady thing going on all around, so it has a very subtle cutesy look. And I'm sad that I could not wear it in Coldplay. कोई बात नहीं, we'll probably find a way to wear it during summers. So this is the shorts that I wore it with the yellow top that I showed you in the beach. So these are the white shorts. Again I got these from Zara. Yeah, these are white linen shorts. तो मेरे को काफ़ी टाइम से मन था कुछ तो लिनन का लेने का. I have these pants H&M की लिनन से, but those look like night pants rather than, you know, like some daytime pants. तो मैंने ये लिया था. इवन दो आई गॉट इट इन एक्सेस साइज, आई हैड टू, मेरे को छोटा करवाना पड़ गया था बिकॉज इट वॉज जस्ट नॉट फिटिंग मी. सो इन केस you guys are buying, try to buy like one size less for this. And again it was really nice. This was the only cloth actually जिसमें chances थे कि वो मुस जाए. Not own any white shorts, and I think now this will do the job, like with everything, every top, every outfit. Oh, this is another outfit that I was really excited for and I could not wear this outfit. This outfit is again from H&M. So they are basically two different things, but thankfully H&M only recommended both of these things to me together, that you know, like when you select the top it will recommend you bottoms for that top also. So this is a very chic outfit. Like if you're going to a very bougie event, you should definitely wear it. Then I had more outfits and less number of days. Sad, but ठीक है. So this is one top. Again, this is a very different, I don't know what this cloth is called actually, but it's really nice. The color is chocolate brown. नीचे I had this really pretty long brown color का skirt. तो actually ये दोनों, like I think they are a pair, but you can get them separately also. So this is the top, this is the skirt, and it's actually very budget friendly and very nice clothes. Like so many times H&M में होता है कि that you know, if they are not that expensive, they're not that good also, but this was one thing that I really loved it. And by the way, this thing is not sponsored by Zara, H&M, everything. I have paid my own money to get all of it. I hope Zara or H&M, if you guys are seeing this, you should sponsor my videos because half of my money is literally going to you guys. Okay, now I think I've covered everything. Did I leave? Oh, wait. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ कर दी है. Now let me show you this one dress which I absolutely hated. And I cannot even return it because I lost like all the tags and everything. But this is, guys, please don't buy this dress at all, which is this dress. So I got this. So if you guys are following me on my stories, I wore this dress on the first day of Dubai, and you know, like, the dress is really pretty. If you look it from the outside, you'll say, oh wow, it's so pretty. It is, but if you will wear it, it has these inside me, I don't know, some work is going around, and it just eats your body, like literally the entire time. You know, like, I wore this when we went to Dubai, but our hotel was in Abu Dhabi. Okay, so we had to go from Abu Dhabi to Dubai, 2 hour ka distance. So the entire day I was busy, so I did not notice it. But while I was sitting in a car, that 2 hour journey from Dubai to Abu Dhabi was literally the worst time of my life, the longest 2 hours. Zara, you should literally put something in the inside, because the material inside is not very comfortable, so you should definitely do something about it. But yeah, it's a really beautiful dress. -100 on comfort. Okay, I think I have covered all the dresses now. इसके अलावा so I wore these. I did carry a lot of footwear, my boots, one of these heels, then my chappals, but I ended up wearing these heels everywhere because, trust me, they were so comfortable, so pretty. Everything is just perfect about them. These are from Metro, and it's just comfortable, and if you guys do not like really long heels like me, this is perfect for you. Super comfortable. I need 2 bags along with me. I got these 2 bags. First one is from Kate Spade. I don't know if you can call it a luxury bag, but yeah, first bag, which was like a kind of expensive bag for me. Looks really nice, really chic, and goes with everything, of course. And this was another jute bag that I carried. I wanted to carry a jute bag to like beaches and everything, and this is what I carried. And this is from Zara, and I carried it, I think, almost I think more than this bag. I've carried this bag with me. Okay, I think it is done. मैंने ज्वेलरी पहले ऑर्डर करी थी सवाना से, did not end up coming only, मतलब वो डिलीवरी डिले हो गया था. तो I was like, what should I do? कुछ भी नहीं था. So there is Mr. DIY near my house. I literally just went there and got my jewelry there. But I would not really recommend getting jewelry from Mr. DIY unless and until you only want to wear it once, because मैंने literally एक बार पहना, उसमें थोड़ा सा भी पानी गया ना, तो it literally just turned black. So I will not recommend getting a jewelry from there. But yeah, because it was urgent, I could not do anything about it. And I will show you guys this shirt also. Again, I did not wear it. Very basic white shirt. I think everybody should own a white shirt. You can style it with anything and everything. And I don't know the material. I think this is also linen, but yeah, nothing special about it. Just a plain white shirt. For the chappals, the grey chappals that you guys were asking, I think I wore it only one day when I was going to the beach, and those chappals are from H&M again. I think most of my clothes are from H&M and Zara. I'm like the basicest girl ever. I should literally, you know, start trying out other brands as well, but yeah, these are my comfort zone. We come to the end of this video. I'm so sorry if everything was like super messy. I have not done a lot of these clothes haul and everything, and this was not planned. Everybody was asking. I was like, okay, let me do it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked my outfits. With this, also like, share and subscribe, because why wouldn't you do it? And if you guys liked my outfits, do drop a heart in the comments below, and I will drop all the links to all the outfits in the description below in case you want to check it out.